Hi, and welcome to Digital Tech Reviews and Tips, guys. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the new GoPro Hero 10 here in its nice black and blue and very beautiful case. We don't really care about the case, but it is very similar to last year's, the Hero 9. I was almost just thinking I'll just play back the Hero 9 unboxing for you guys and replace the 9 with the 10 and we'll be all good to go. But nah, I went ahead, bought this for $400 on GoPro's website. As you can see, same or similar box to the GoPro Hero 9. GoPro really revamped and went a lot more environmentally friendly with the Hero 9. You just have a cardboard packaging that has, the name of the camera, some specs on the side, their subscription on the back, and what's included on this side. And then you have that nice reusable zippered hard shell case, which I really like. It's great to just pop your GoPro accessories in your GoPro, chuck it in your backpack, your suitcase, and you're ready to go take it on the road. So props to GoPro for this one. And yeah, with that said, let's just get to unboxing this thing. So we're just gonna rip that open and then pop it off and slide out the GoPro case there. As I said, that is nice hard case. You can see you could drop this. I don't know, they don't really, from 100 feet up, probably not. But it protects your stuff and it looks nice as well. Opening it up here, you're presented with the fact that you need to update the camera before you use it. That's always nice, but yeah, you're gonna have to do that usually with most things. They always ship them out and then have like a day one update oftentimes. So that's good to know. Thank you for putting that there, GoPro. They also have a little quick start guide here, which kind of just walks you through the basics of this camera. You can see charging, how to put the battery and micro SD card, and you got some GoPro stickers here. Whoa, surprise. This is what everyone is really buying this for, getting those high value GoPro stickers. You can stick them to your forehead, stick them to a water bottle, computer, whatever you want, and be a walking billboard for GoPro. Last thing in here looks like safety guide. We don't need safety, so chuck that aside. And let's get to the main stuff in here, which is the camera and all those extra little goodies in there as well. So starting down here at the bottom, let's go with the mini handle. Open that up. And you can see it's very mini and it's a little tripod there. So you can mount your GoPro on it, take a time lapse, use it as a webcam mount. It's pretty versatile, and yeah, it's included with the bundle, so that's nice to have. Next in here, you have the magnetic mount. Now, this is magnetic, but I don't have anything metal right on the table here, unfortunately, so just gonna have to take my word for it. It's also a clip, so you can clamp it on something, maybe a hat brim or a backpack, and then mount your GoPro to it as well. It's pretty versatile. And yeah, it's nice included here with the bundle, of course, not in the regular version. You have two batteries, which are pretty easy to spot because they're nice blue. And that is really, I would recommend you pretty much always need two batteries with a GoPro. If you're out snowboarding, skiing, biking, it's good to be able to just pop another battery in rather than having to worry about, plugging in a USB battery pack and stuff like that and charging it up, or having to make one battery last for a whole day, because it can be done, but it's very, very, tough to do that. And before we get to the GoPro, I guess let's just get these last few accessories here. Of course, get the mounts. Now, if you've never used a GoPro before, this is kind of a mount ecosystem that GoPro has been building that uses these slide-in mounts, which can go onto like this clamp here, right? So boom. And then also use this 2-prong to 3-prong mount. So the 2-prong on the GoPros go in and you put a cross screw in and then you're ready to mount it on anything. It's a really great system. It's a lot more stable and easy to take off than a tripod mount, with the 1/4-inch threads. And they've had it all the way back since I think the Hero 3, they introduced that, and they haven't looked back since. And in fact, pretty much every action camera maker has copied them. So, it's a good system. So that looks like it's it, other than a little thumb screw here in the box. Oh, we got one more thing. This is the USB charging cable. Micro USB is a thing of the past, so that you're using USB-C now, which is really great. Reversible, fast charging, and you don't even have to use this cable. You can use one of the many ones you probably have lying around your house. So finally here we have the camera, which really looks very similar to the GoPro Hero 9, like I said, except for the bright blue name on the front and the Hero 10 name here on the side that also is in blue. So if I grab the GoPro 9 right here, you can see that they're almost identical, right? I could switch them around, and the only way you're going to know is because of that blue little insignia. Really great way for GoPro to, distinguish the two cameras. It also does almost look like the new HERO10 Black is a little thinner, but that might just be an optical illusion with the different materials they've used. But yeah, I really liked the HERO9. I thought it was a great, well-designed camera, and they stuck with it with the HERO10. It looks like we'll be having to wait another year until we get a full redesign, but they really knocked it out of the park with this one. One of the main things I do like about this new design that they debuted with the HERO9 is, of course, the removable lens that you can unscrew, pop on an ND filter or replace your lens easily if you scratch it, and then screw it back on. And then, of course, you have the folding fingers here at the bottom. So unlike needing a frame mount with like the Hero 6 and the Hero 7, Hero 8, 9, 10 all use these folding mounts, which have slowly gotten better and better and less wobbly as they've gone on. And now, yeah, they're pretty secure. And you can, of course, replace them if you have an issue, like they should break off. And then on the side here, you have the battery door. It hasn't changed much since the Hero 9. It's pretty similar. It's a bit of a pain to open, and this can sometimes fall off. But overall, it's a well-designed camera. I can pop in the battery quickly, turn it on, but it's going to ask me to, go through the setup process, so it won't really get me much. But you can see, there we go. Camera power's on, and it's going to say, oh yeah, I need to update it, and I need to put in the date and all that stuff. So yeah, that's for a different video, but I hope I answered any questions you might have with this. I'm going to have a bunch of other videos on my channel about the GoPro comparisons, testing, tips maybe. I don't know. Let me know what you want to see down in the comment section below, and I'll get to those videos when I get a second. Otherwise, if you do have any questions, put them down below. I'll answer them, or maybe someone else who knows about GoPros who's watching this video will be nice and leave an answer. Otherwise, that's it for today, guys. If you aren't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. You can also click the like button if you want, or if you dislike this video, just double tap that dislike button so that, yeah, I don't have to explain that too much for you. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Peace out. Bye.